This is Brian Ghilliotti. I'm at Elephant Rock State Park in Missouri. So I decided to take some azimuth readings from the perspective of this rock, as I talked about earlier in the prior video. And with those two rocks right there, with that stone looking like an intermediary stone, and I note that there seems to be a direct north-south alignment with the orientation point seemingly going through the area where the two rocks meet and form a groove, and right up to the very largest stone. Well, two stones. I also wondered, that makes this look like definitely an observation rock right here. Let me zoom out a little. And I guess you were meant to sit there and observe. I also noted that I guess you were meant to be seated from these stones, but in any case, taking an azimuth from this perspective, from this rock here, I shot a north-south, and looks like the azimuth point goes right toward where that gap is, where you see the people. Maybe hard to see. There were some people there earlier. The foliage is blocking it, but it's right there. So that also forms a parallel north-south alignment, parallel with that point. Let me zoom down. Right there. So I'm going to make my way up. Sure, there's a lot of things here. I mean, I could spend probably all day here, but I want to keep pressing forward.